Go to LG Home Battery blog. Download enblock SD-Card Log Extractor. Install the software. First insert SD card in your laptop, then open the software. Select battery model. After that, remove the SD card and insert it into battery. Turn off inverter. Remove communication cable. Insert the SD card. Turn battery CB on. Press red button for 3 seconds. Wait for flashing to end. Turn the circuit breaker off. Remove the SD card. Add SD card back to laptop and click Shown button. Set the folder to save the log file. Log data extraction is completed. The extracted data.